What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Fox body. So what we got going on today is very cool. We are switching out this 92 steering wheel, which, you know, doesn't work with the horn and clock spring's broken and all that good stuff. So we're switching this steering wheel out for a 89 steering wheel, which I've got right here. So this will be a fun adventure. I've never done anything like this before, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing you need to do is make sure you disconnect your power. Let's go negative. I've already loosened it, this way it comes off so easily. Positive. Also, another little tip. We're going to be taking off a nut that's down here. Let's see if we can't focus. Focus! Come on. Anyway, we're going to be taking off that right there. So turn your wheel to the side, whichever side you can access that on, like I have mine. And then it should make it easier whenever, if you don't have jack stands, or if you can't use jack stands or whatever, so you don't have to get underneath the car. This should just overall be a pretty quick and easy install, but we'll see. That's step one. Step two, well, my step two is just going to be undo the airbag and the horn, which are these two, and then we're going to pretty much just start unbolting everything, let the steering wheel hang a little bit, and then I'll come back here and start disconnecting all the rest of the wires back here, and then we'll go ahead and swap out units and we should be good. So yep, that's what we got. So I'll just kind of show you guys as I go. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so before I get too far, I'll go ahead and tell you guys what we're going to be using and where. I just have a little socket wrench, or socket, and then it is a 8mm. To actually take these off right here, these support braces, you're going to need a 11/16 right here. That's going to be used for under the hood, that little nut that I was showing you guys. So that's going to take that off. For the other nuts that are actually in here holding the steering wheel in, we're going to be using, I'm using a 15mm. Seems to work fine. And then we just got your impact wrench. You can also use a standard socket, but I'm too extra for that, and I'd rather be really lazy because I'm really weak. So yeah, let's get started. Well, my starter was already bad when I started, so that's, well, anyway, the starter was already bad, but look, this is how bad it was. It was literally just sitting in there. A little bit of pressure and it fell out. All of it. But anyway, we'll get back to uninstalling. Alright guys, now that that's done, we're going to go to under the hood with our 11/16 and disconnect from in there. Hey, almost done. Alright guys, so I got it off, but the bolt dropped way in the abyss. So let's see if we can't use this little magnetic tool to get it back out. Hey, got it. That's how that works. No, but real note, we got the bolt out, just sitting up here now, getting ready to put this in. All I need to do is yank this thing out, which is going to be fun. So yeah, let's get that started. Alright guys, so I figured out why I'm having so much freaking issues. Alright, you see how the steering column is just hanging here? I was doing all good. Well, in that far corner, that one right over there, it is, it has like a little, I don't know if it's like a little security nut, but you got the nut and then like a little washer that grips on just in case I guess the nut falls. So I'm gonna go get a tool real quick to cut that off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we're good. Got it out. Now I just need to pull it out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, got the wheel out. We are good to go. Alright, so next what we're gonna do, just measure to make sure this wheel and the other wheel are at the same height on the shaft, so that way it'll be a quick in and out. Alright guys, so we got both of the wheels here. I've already measured, as you can see right there, and yeah, so they're about the same height now. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the car and put the new one in. Yeah, there we go. Finished. Look at that, all done. I know I had to do a little cable job here because these 89 steering wheels, they don't have the right adapter that fits in here, so I just took mine off my 92 and cut it and then just put these on here temporarily. I will end up soldering it, or I don't know, doing something nicer than that. Other than that, everything turned out really well. I reused this, yeah, look at this bad boy. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I did have one issue, and it wasn't even an issue, it was kind of funny actually. I was like, oh man, I got the horn switched out and everything. I was like, no, it's not working. Then I found out that under here, number 16 I believe, was bad. Come on, hello. Can you see it? Anyway, so as you see there, it was blown to pieces. So I had to get a new one, fit in there, which is actually right here. I took it out because now I need to get a, what's that called? A horn repair kit. After that, then we should be good to go and it's going to run perfect. So that's one issue that we've gotten done in the 92 Fox. Hopefully next video or next time I can get the speedometer replaced, because as you see here, I am not going 55. So yeah, thanks for watching the video guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Also follow the Facebook page. I post updates every once in a while. So yeah, thanks for watching. Go.